system, introduction to information system. But now, today you are going to learn a type of the information system. Next, what is a MIS? An management information system is a computer based information system which is basically concerned with processing data and into information which is then communicated to the various departments in an organization to support the operations, the management and the decision making function in the organization. So basically it is a computer system of hardware, software that acts as a foundation of an for an organization's operations, and MIS collects data from various online systems to support management decision making, analyzes the information, and report the data. In the organization, it is utilized for information coordination, control, analysis, and visualization. People's procedures, technologies, all are involved in studying management information systems in an organizational setting. It provides businesses and organizations with technology that facilitates communication and information flow, assisting in issue solving, and giving an organization a competitive edge. So basically, what are MIS, you know? Basically, in a short term, we can say that it is a computer based system. First definition is that it is a computer based system. अब कंप्यूटर बेस्ड सिस्टम है तो बेसिकली ये क्या करेगा, हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर को मिला के एक ऐसे सिस्टम को तैयार करेगा जो कि कलेक्ट करता है डेटा, उस पर कुछ ऑपरेशंस को परफॉर्म करता है, वेरियस ऑनलाइन सिस्टम से डेटा को फेच करता है, सो दैट यू कैन मेक डिसीजंस. The decision making function can be support in the organization by this MIS. Basically, with the Subha Lakshmi Joshi, our definition of MIS in a very defined term is that it refers to a computer based system that provide managers with the tools to organize, to evaluate and efficiently manage departments within an organization. What does a management information system mean? अब हम मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम को अगर हम थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दें, दैट इज MIS, मैनेजमेंट, M मीन्स मैनेजमेंट, I मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन, S मीन्स सिस्टम. सो हम इस मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन को थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं, उससे हम ज़्यादा और अच्छे से समझ पाएंगे. मैनेजमेंट टर्म इज व्हाट? मैनेजमेंट टर्म इज अ इफेक्टिव यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड मटेरियल रिसोर्सेज टू अचीव द एंटरप्राइज ऑब्जेक्टिव, है ना. मैनेजमेंट आपको पता ही है, कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ऑब्जेक्टिव है तो उसको ऑब्जेक्टिव को अचीव करने के लिए एक ह्यूमन और मटेरियल का इस तरीके से यूटिलाइज करना ही एक मैनेजमेंट है. It is a process of consisting five basic functions, you all know: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. इन फाइव बेसिक फंक्शन से ही आपका मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस चल रहा है. तो मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम में मैनेजमेंट टर्म का ही एक बहुत बड़ा रोल है. Information is what? Information in MIS means the processed data that helps the management in planning, controlling and operations. So basically, in information in MIS means the processed data that helps the management in planning, controlling and operation. Basically, whenever you are inputting a data from the external sources, it is required that you are going to help the management in planning, controlling and performing some operations. So that information considered as a processed data, हम उसको एक अदर टर्म्स में क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोसेस डेटा. बाय इनपुट, प्रोसेस, आउटपुट, इन तीन फंक्शनैलिटी को फॉलो करते हुए कोई भी और सिस्टम इन तीन फंक्शनैलिटी को फॉलो करता है, तो इनपुट, हम डेटा को इनपुट करा रहे हैं और डेटा हमारे लिए क्या है, अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड रॉ फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स, ऑब्जर्वेशंस, इवेल्युएटेड मैसेजेस इन आइसोलेशन. तो वो जो डेटा हमारा अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड है, अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, रॉ है, अनइवेल्युएटेड है, उस डेटा के ऊपर हमने कुछ प्रोसेसिंग की, कुछ प्रोसीजर्स को रूल किया, कुछ ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म किए. आफ्टर दैट processing, that performing operations over that data, In the other hand, we will find a desired result or the processed data, और उस processed data को finished product को हम information बोलते हैं. So are you understanding? With the help of this management term, management processes, planning, organizing, staffing, we will get the processed data or the information. And then डेटा वर्सेस इंफॉर्मेशन, हम पहले से समझ लेते हैं. डेटा वर्सेस इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है? डेटा क्या है? एक हमारा अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड रॉ डेटा है. आप लोग इस फिगर में देख ही रहे होंगे, SM001, नॉर्थ P001, 475 ईस्ट, ये आपको दिख रहा है एक अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा है. पर जब इस पर प्रोसेसिंग परफॉर्म हुई, इस पे हमने कुछ एनालिसिस किया, इसको हमने कुछ इस तरीके से किया, तो हमें एक प्रॉपर इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली. प्रॉपर इन्फॉर्मेशन कैसे? सेल्समैन कोड का सेल्समैन जो कोड है वो एक फॉर्म में आ गया, जोन एक फॉर्म में आ गया, आइटम कोड का नंबर एक फॉर्म में आ गया और सेल्स एक फॉर्म में आ गई. तो अब आप पता लगा सकते हो कि डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन में एक स्लाइट डिफरेंस है. वो अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड डेटा है, अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड डेटा है, और ये एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ डेटा है आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग इट. अब मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द टॉपिक दैट इज सिस्टम. System is an orderly grouping of interdependent components linked together according to a plan to achieve a specific objective. Are you understanding what I am saying? It is a combination of interdependent components which are linked together to perform a specific objective. A human body is a system composed of various parts. अगर हम अपने आप को ही देखें, अगर हम रियल वर्ल्ड से कनेक्ट करें एक सिस्टम को, तो हर एक चीज़ एक सिस्टम के थ्रू ही चलती है. एक हमारी ह्यूमन बॉडी भी एक हमारी सिस्टम है. क्यों? क्योंकि इट्स composed of various parts. It has its objective. They all are work together to achieve a common objective, that is to live. हमारा जीना हमारे कुछ वेरियस पार्ट्स से, ह्यूमन बॉडी के वेरियस पार्ट्स से ही तो चल रहा है. सो ह्यूमन बॉडी इज ऑल्सो जस्ट लाइक अ सिस्टम. अब सिस्टम किसी भी तरीके का हो सकता है, आपका काम करने का तरीका, हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर का कॉम्बिनेशन. सो अ सिस्टम इज ऑर्डरली ग्रुपिंग ऑफ इंटरडिपेंडेंट कंपोनेंट्स विच इज लिंक्ड टुगेदर. As you already know, information system are organized combination of people, hardware, software, communications, network and data resources that collects, transforms and disseminates in an organization. And you all know that components of information is that input, process, output, people, hardware, software, data and network. So what is a management information system? Management information system is an integrated user machine system for providing information or to support the operations, management, analysis and decision making function in an organization. बेसिकली इसका काम ही यही है कि आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करना. सबसे पहला काम है टू प्रोवाइड द इन्फॉर्मेशन, दूसरा काम है टू सपोर्ट द ऑपरेशंस, मैनेजमेंट, एनालिसिस एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग फंक्शंस. और एक तरीके से ये कंप्यूटर बेस्ड सिस्टम भी है और ये यूज़र मशीन सिस्टम भी है. यूज़र मशीन सिस्टम, with the help of the user and with the help of the machine, it provides the information which helps for decision making in an organization. And that's why this system utilizes some of the components of information system like computer hardware and software, manual procedures, models for analysis, planning, control and decision making, and also a database. अगर database नहीं होगा तो system work नहीं कर पाएगा, क्योंकि database is a place where you will store the relevant data. कुछ मॉडल्स, एनालिसिस, प्लानिंग ही नहीं होगी, डिसीजन मेकिंग के काम में नहीं आएगी. कुछ प्रोसीजर्स नहीं होंगे, हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं होंगे, तो ये सिस्टम यूटिलाइज नहीं हो पाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई अ मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम यूटिलाइज दीज थिंग्स. व्हाई MIS? व्हाई वी नीड अ MIS? Manager makes decision all the time. There is an overload of information. All information is not useful. Anything which helps manager improves the decision making will obviously lead to a better result. So MIS is a system where data is the input which is processed to provide the output in the form of information, reports, summaries, etc., which aids the manager for decision making process. So why we need the MIS in the organization? Because it provides you that information which is used for making the decisions. in the organization. Ab, what is the role of MIS? Are you understanding what is the role of MIS in the life or in the organization? MIS is a computerized financial data database setup and designed to generate regular reports on operations for all level of management within a firm. So the role of the MIS is that you can manage the things, you can uh, perform any operations. The MIS supports the for decision making. So why one should study MIS? The question arises, why student or why one should study the MIS? It may be student aspiring to become a manager. कहीं ना कहीं आप स्टूडेंट भी एक मैनेजर बनेंगे किसी लेवल पे जाके इन सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, कोई ऑन्टरप्रनोर है, कोई प्रोफेशनल है. तो इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी इज अ वाइटल component of any successful businesses and is regarded as a major functional area like any other functional areas of a business organizations like marketing, finance, production, human resources, etc. So the business in the business organization, this MIS is very helpful. It supports the business processes and operations of an organization. It supports for decision making by employees and the managers of the organization. It supports the strategies of the organization for competitive advantage. So are you understanding why there is need to learn about the MIS or to study about the MIS? So, moving towards the next topic, the types of the management information system. Types of management information system are ESS, executive support systems, which is designed to help senior management make strategic decisions. ESS typically involve lots of data analysis and modeling tools to help strategic decision making. So basically where executives needs to make decisions or to make some strategic decisions, this ESS supports the systems to involve lots of data analysis and modeling tools to help strategic decision making. DSS, Decision Support System, is specifically designed to help management make decisions in situations where there is uncertainty about the possible outcomes of these decisions. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, sometimes it arises that there are the situation arises that the managers and the person who is at higher level doesn't know how to make decisions. So what he will do, he will take the help from the decision support system. एक टीम होती है, वो कुछ अपने आइडियाज़ को सामने रखती है और एक कॉमन आइडिया को देखते हुए मैनेजमेंट हेल्प करता है टू मेक इन डिसीजन मेकिंग. Knowledge management system, it helps business to create and share information. These are typically used in businesses where employees create new knowledge and expertise which can then be shared by other people in the organization to create further commercial opportunities. So knowledge management system basically is designed to share the or to create the information or to enhance the knowledge and expertise of a particular area for the further commercial opportunities of the organization. Further, there are also other types of management information system like TPS, transaction processing system, which is designed to process routine transactions efficiently and accurately. Managers often use these systems to deal with such tasks as payroll, customers billing and payments to suppliers, office automation system that try to improve the productivity of employees who need to process data and information. Wide range of software systems that exist to improve the productivity of employees working in an office. So systems that allows employees to work from home or based on the move. So basically some of the companies start work from home, so they uses this type of systems like office automation system. The employees who are working from home have that systems. A wide range of software systems are exist to improve the productivity of the employees. So all these are the types of the management information system. Now How is a management information system useful in the companies? We can learn. We have read what is a management system, what are the types, why we need a MS system. Now it's time to learn how it is useful in the companies. Planning and control. First point is planning and control. Basically, MIS helps the quality of plans by providing relevant information for decision making. Basically, उसका definition ही यही है MIS का. It provides you the information which helps in decision making. MIS serves as a link between managerial planning and control. It improves the ability of management to evaluate and improve the performance. तो जो भी हमारी प्लानिंग कंट्रोलिंग होती है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, तो MIS उसकी क्वालिटी को, उसके परफॉर्मेंस को इवेल्युएट और इम्प्रूव कर देता है, और बेसिकली इट सर्व्स एज अ लिंक बिटवीन दोज थिंग्स. Second, MIS minimizes information overload. MIS change the larger amount of data into summarized form, and therefore it avoids the confusion which may arise when managers are flooded with detailed facts. So basically जो भी हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन है, देखिए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पास हर तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल होती है, बट MIS उस ओवरलोडेड इंफॉर्मेशन को, उस लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन को एक समराइज्ड फॉर्म में आपको आपके रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग आपको दे देता है. सो तो जो कन्फ्यूजन्स होते हैं, जो मैनेजर्स के थ्रू या और के थ्रू, डिटेल फैक्ट्स के थ्रू जो कन्फ्यूजन्स अराइज होते हैं, उसको अवॉइड कर देता है. तो ये आपके इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड को मिनिमाइज कर देता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज यूजफुल इन द कंपनीज. MIS encourages decentralization. Decentralization of authority is possible when there is a system for monitoring operations at lower levels. MIS is successfully used for measuring performance and making necessary change in the organizational plans and procedures. Why? Because it is encourages decentralization. As you all know that MIS consists of a management, that is a management process, planning, controlling, staffing and directing. So basically it is used for measuring performance and making necessary changes in the organizational plans and procedures with the help of some information. Next is cost. Invest in a consultant to help define your core requirements that include information for strategic planning and project management. To be useful and successful, a management information should focus on company products and services, customers, operating cost, marketing opportunities, and the company's exposure to risk. So basically it also reduce or cost effect if we want to hire any consultant and they're having some trust issue. So MIS is a thing which focuses on the company products and the services, which is makes the chances of getting low risk. MIS brings coordination. MIS facilitates integration of specialized activities by keeping each department aware of the problem and requirements of the other department. It connects all decision centers in the organization. ये मैंने आपको ही बताया था पहले भी कि MIS क्या है. वो ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ एक एक डिपार्टमेंट को लेके चलता है. MIS सारे डिपार्टमेंट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स को अवेयर होता है कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, क्या MIS क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ को परफॉर्म करे. सो इट कनेक्ट्स ऑल डिसीजन सेंटर्स इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. That's why it is useful. MIS enables process, stores, retrieves, evaluates and disseminates the information. तो बेसिकली ये तो इसका इनिशियल और मेन वो है कि MIS क्या है. वो प्रोसेसिंग को, स्टोरिंग को, रिट्रीविंग को, इवेल्युएटिंग को एंड डिसेमिनेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन को बहुत अच्छे से फॉलो करता है, और इस चीज़ को फॉलो करता है तभी इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. Now, what is the impact of management information system? With a good MIS support, the management of marketing, finance, प्रोडक्शन एंड पर्सनल बिकम्स मोर एफिशिएंट. अगर आपका MIS बहुत अच्छा होगा तो आपके मैनेजमेंट में जो भी हमारी एक्टिविटीज़ रोल प्ले कर रही हैं, या कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट है, प्रोडक्शन है, फिनेंस है, पर्सनल है, मार्केटिंग है, वो और अच्छे से इफ़ेक्टिवली एफिशिएंटली वर्क करने लगेंगे। क्यों? क्योंकि इन्फॉर्मेशन इस तरीके से रेलेवेंट तरीके से आपको मिल रही है। इन्फॉर्मेशन से एक जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिल रही है उससे मैनेजमेंट की स्ट्रैटेजीज़ को डिज़ाइन करने में, डिसीजन मेकिंग में हेल्प मिल रही है। दैट्स वाई इट मेक्स all the departments more efficient. The MIS begins with the definition of data entity and its attributes respectively designed for information generation in the organization. जो भी आपकी डेटा एंट्रीज है, जिस तरीके से आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन जनरेट हो रही है, उस एट्रीब्यूट्स को, डेटा एंटिटीज को भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में डिफाइन करता है। The MIS calls for a systemization of the business operations for an effective system design. MIS क्या है? एक प्रॉपर फंक्शनैलिटी से चलता है, तो वो यही चाहता है कि जो भी बिजनेस के ऑपरेशंस हो वो बिल्कुल सिस्टमैटिक हो, जिससे कि एक अच्छा इफेक्टिवली सिस्टम डिज़ाइन हो पाए। तो MIS उस सिस्टमाइजेशन को बिजनेस ऑपरेशंस में कॉल करता है। This leads to streamlining of the operations which complicate the system design. While designing a system, there are some of the complications arise while performing the operation. So MIS help to streamline all the operations which complicate the system designs. So this makes an impact of management information system on the organization. MIS improves the administration of the business by bringing a discipline in its operations, as everybody is required to follow and use systems and procedures. This process brings a high degree of professionalism in the business operations, and also since the goals and objectives of MIS are the products of business goals and objectives, it helps indirectly to pull the entire organization in one direction towards the corporate goals and objectives by providing the relevant information to the people in the organization. So basically it creates a great impact on the organization. It improves the administration. Its objective and goal is just like a organization objective and goal. That's why according to that goal and the objective, it provides you the relevant information to the people of the organization so that they can achieve their desired goal and objectives. So this is the impact of the management information system. Now learn about the benefits of MIS. Data can easily be accessed and analyzed without time consuming manipulation and processing. Decisions can be made more quickly with confidence that the data are both relevant and accurate. Integrated information can also be kept in categories that are meaningful to profitable operations. Significant cost benefit time savings are there. Productivity gains, processing re-engineering opportunities are associated with the use of the data. Warehouse for information processing. So all these are the benefits of the organization, benefits of the management information. So basically you can you can analyze the data easily over here. Decision making भी quickly हो जाता है, क्योंकि इसका फंडा ही यही है कि आपको decision making में help करता है। तो ये सारे इसके benefits हैं हमारे MIS के। What is a functional information system? On the basis of specific functional areas, MIS can be categorized as follows: marketing management information system, human resource information system, financial management information system, production and inventory management information system. हर एक functional areas का एक अपना MIS है। मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम अपना मार्केटिंग के अकॉर्डिंग ही करता है। ह्यूमन रिसोर्स इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम ह्यूमन रिसोर्स से रिलेटेड जो भी आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन है उसको फॉलो अप करता है। फाइनेंशियल टर्म से रिलेटेड आपके MIS फॉलो करता है। इन्वेंट्री या प्रोडक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग, तो जो भी आपके ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में फंक्शनल एरियाज हैं उनके बेसिस पे भी एक अपना मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम वर्क करता है। Team management is the ability of an individual or an organization to administer and coordinate a group of individuals to perform the task. So human resource information is the functional information system used for team management. तो जो आपकी team management है उसके लिए human resource information system work करता है। A database system that keeps important information about employees in a central and accessible location. It feeds the information into HR policies and planning as well as the HR decision processes. It is a systematic way of storing data and information for each individual employee to aid planning, decision making, and submitting of returns and reports. A method by which an organization collects, analysis, and reports information about people and job, तो that a human resource information do. एक सिस्टमैटिक वे है डेटा को स्टोर कराने का, और डेटा भी कौन सा, इंफॉर्मेशन भी किसकी, एम्प्लॉयज़ की, जो डिसीजन मेकिंग के और सबमिटिंग रिपोर्ट्स और रिटर्न्स के काम में आते हैं. So HRIS helps in team management, staffing. All managers know the importance of having right person at the right place. Staffing term is what? Whenever you are arranging the persons in the organization, right person at the right place. To recruit the right person for the right job requires information from various sources. So HRIS plays a very important role in providing vital information to the managers. Organizing. It is important that organization not only recruit the right person for the right job but also keep an employee motivated. So here HRIS plays an important role by helping the managers to keep a vigil on the staff so that nobody feels neglected. So motivation can be given to the simplest form such as email, appreciation letters, wishes to the subordinate or his birthday. That is such kind of organizing can be done. Directing and controlling. Managers have to be on their toes always because the staff needs constant directions and redirections the countering the competitors. So HRIS helps the managers and the staff to take quick information and direct their energies. What are the benefits of HRIS? Faster information process, greater information accuracy, improved planning and programming, development and enhanced employee communications. What are the softwares and HRIS use? Abra Suite, Atlas Business Solutions, CORT HRMS, HRSoft, Human Resource Microsystems, Oracle HRMS, PeopleSoft, SAP HR, Spectrum HR, Vantage HRM. These are the softwares used by the HRIS. Companies that use management information system. अब आप देखिए, there are some of the companies who uses the management information system. Dell company. This direct business models eliminates retailers that add unnecessary time and cost or who can diminish Dell's understanding of customer expectations. They also use transaction processing system. तो आप देख रहे हैं डेल कंपनी का नाम तो आपने सुना ही होगा, जिसके लैपटॉप्स वगैरह होते हैं और अदर गैजेट्स होते हैं. तो ये भी एक मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम को यूज करता है. साइड बाय साइड इट ऑल्सो यूजेस द ट्रांजैक्शन प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम्स. HDFC can reach more people by more efficient way. Employees can easily connect with other branches. Customer services get improved. Employees record maintained very well. So HDFCs also use this management information system so that they can achieve the goal in a very efficient way. World Health Organization Health Management Information System uses an information system specially designed to assist in the management and planning of health programs as opposed to delivery care. So basically WOH इतनी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ये भी एक मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम को यूज़ करती है और इस तरीके से ही बनाया गया है कि ये हेल्थ प्रोग्राम्स को मैनेज कर सके, उनकी प्लानिंग कर सके. So before this concluding, I would like to have some objectives of MIS. Like MIS objectives are like data capturing, processing of data, storage of information, retrieval of information, dissemination of information. ये आपने objectives तो पढ़ा ही था. So MIS क्या है? MIS यही है कि वो एक तरीके का कंप्यूटर बेस्ड इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम है. Computer based information. Why computer based information system? Because it follows the input process output storage and control thing. Input process output function को follow करता है. That's why it is computer based information system है. एक ऐसा system है जो user और machines को integrated of user and machines so that they can provide you relevant information for the purpose of decision making in the organization. It also has some of the objectives like to data capture, to collect the data from various organizational, internal and external sources, to process the data including some tasks like calculating, storing, categorizing and summarizing, to store the information, unprocessed data, processed data in a very properly recorded for the organization to use it later. Retrieval of information as and when needed. The management information system gets data from its databases for various users. Dissemination of information. The organization users receive information, a finished product of the management information system. It occurs regularly online via computer terminal. So basically all these are the ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ दी MIS. अब हम इसके थोड़े कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स की बात कर लें कंक्लूजन से पहले. कंक्लूजन तो आपको बता ही दिया. एक तरीके से इंफॉर्मेशन कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ स्ट्रेटेजिक वेपन टू काउंटर द थ्रेट्स टू बिजनेस, मेक बिजनेस मोर कॉम्पिटिटिव एंड ब्रिंग आउट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन थ्रू इंटीग्रेशन. It supports the managers as they work to achieve corporate goals, enables managers to compare results to establish company goals, and identify problem areas and opportunities for improvement. So basically, before conclusion, we can also say that it has a system approach. MIS adheres to a system approach which donates a step-by-step procedure for examining a system's operation in the context of the goal for which it was created. It entails having a comprehensive perspective on how organizational subsystem function. तो basically एक पूरे system की approach को भी follow करता है. It is management oriented. Why management oriented? Because in the name of MIS the term management is included. So it is management oriented. The nature of MIS is to suggest that a top-down MIS design methodology. According to the top-down approach, management needs a business objectives and are decided upon at a start of system. MIS suggests management that works dynamically with the system's development to reach management decisions. Completeness. According to requirements, MIS should be designed and developed based on the data that managers needed. सो स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लानिंग हो गई, मैनेजमेंट कंट्रोल हो गया, ऑपरेशन कंट्रोल हो गया. ऑल दीज थ्री सेपरेट लेवल्स एट विच द नेसेसरी डिजाइन एंड डेवलप द इंफॉर्मेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड. MIS is also future focused. It is designed and developed with the future in mind so that it is not limited to providing only historical data. सिर्फ historical data को ही नहीं provide करेगा, वो आपके future aspects को लेकर भी डिज़ाइन किया गया है. It is integrated. Integrated side, it combines all the subcomponents to deliver the pertinent data to make a wise decisions. An essential element of MIS is integrated system that combines data from several operating domains. कॉमन डेटा फ्लो, क्योंकि MIS क्या है, सेवरल पर्सपेक्टिव्स को लेकर चलता है, तो वो कॉमन डेटा फ्लो को स्ट्रीमलाइन करता है. वो क्या करता है, डुप्लीकेशन को रिड्यूस कर देता है, रिलेटेड टास्क को मर्ज कर देता है, प्रोसेसेस को स्ट्रीमलाइन कर देता है. इससे क्या होता है, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव आइडियाज़ और सेंसिबल फ्लो, डेटा फ्लो का एक अच्छा कॉमन डेटा फ्लो हो जाता है. Long term planning. MIS entails logical planning for an organization success. And also it is central database. So at last I am going to conclude that MIS is very important in every organization, and each and every student must learn about this MIS, because at some age in the organization they can become a manager, they can become an employee, they can become an entrepreneur. So they must know how a information system or a management information system work, and how they give a great impact after using these systems, so that you can achieve the desired goal or the objective of the organization in a very effective and a efficient manner. So thank you all of you. Take care.